Hey everybody, it's Brandon. In one of my Chrome OS Flex videos, somebody mentioned Prime OS as a way to run Android applications, and so I was curious, what's Prime OS? So I looked it up, and to me, it looks like it's kind of a desktop operating system based on Android. And so I'm curious about it, so I downloaded it from their website, and now I'm going to install it, or at least attempt to install it into VirtualBox, and see what it's all about. If you want to download it, just search for Prime OS on Google. Now, I will tell you, their website is Advertising Central. I've been getting pop-ups left and right. There's ads everywhere. Is that a warning of things to come? I don't know. We'll find out. Here's what I downloaded: is Prime OS 2.1.0 beta, which appears to be based on Android 11. So I got it here in my downloads. Got VirtualBox open, and I'm going to create a new machine. I'll call it Prime OS, of course. Let's see, type. Is it really Linux? I'll say other. Version, unknown. I guess it's 64-bit. I don't know. We'll find out. Machine folder. I want to put this on my solid state drive. So, we'll go there. Next. How much RAM? Let's give her, what's good for Android? 8 gigs. Create a new disk, and that's fine. Dynamically allocated, 2 gigs, I don't think that's enough. How about 64? Is that good for Android? 64 gig. Alright, last thing I want to do is go in settings and put in the disk to the Prime OS. Alright. Let's boot it up and see what happens. Okay. Do we want to do a live CD or just install? Let's just install. Why not? See what happens. Okay, here we go. Create partition, I guess. No. Let's see. Let's create a new partition. Primary. Yeah, let's use all the space. Bootable. Sure. Now what? Write. Let's write it. Do you want to write this to your disk? Yes. I think we're doing it right. Right off the bat, I'll tell you, the normal person's probably not going to go through all this Prime OS. So, depending on who your audience is, I don't know. You might need to work on your installer. Just saying. Okay. Let's see, I like ext4. No, the ext4 is not working. Okay. Use ext3. Alright. Are you sure you want to format? Yes. I'm probably doing it right, but we'll find out. Maybe I'm doing it wrong. Are we hung up? Nope. Here we go. Checking. Do you want to install the bootloader? Do I need it? I don't know. I'll skip, since that was the default. That could be my undoing. We'll see. It seems to be installing fairly quick. And it hasn't crashed yet, so that might be positive. Oh. If I go to About, on top of the ads, well, here we go. Let's run it, see if it works. And here's what it should look like. There's F12. So I don't know, this went right to my CD. It doesn't, that's not what I wanted. Did I have to boot off the CD? Maybe I'll take the CD out and reboot machine. Let's reboot it. No bootable medium found. What did we do wrong here? Let's put that disk back in. Maybe I needed to install that grub bootloader. Let's reset. Oh. Installation. Let's try that again. Okay. Maybe I want FAT32 for it. Could that be it? Let's try yes. Mixing it up a bit. We'll see what happens. I didn't look very hard, but I really didn't see any instructions on their page. But apparently, soon it's going to work on a Raspberry Pi. That's neat. Am I missing something? I don't think so. Well, maybe the forums got info. Alright. The installer is going to create a disk image to save user data. Sure. Why not? Let's do it. Let's try questions and answers. More pop-ups. Alright, once again, it does not seem to be booting off my device here. Boot from local drive, can we? Booting. Will it boot? Give it a minute to think about it. Let's see. Well, this guy says it's not booting. More pop-ups. Well, here's the deal. Is Prime OS even a thing? Or is it just a way to show you a bunch of ads? I don't know. Well, that doesn't seem to be working. You know, let me just reset it and see if I can do the live CD. Failed. Okay. Prime OS above all, it says. Now it's a blank screen. Maybe it'll go. Maybe it won't. We'll see. Another ad. Let me just search for... Is this a search? I don't think so. Do they have search? No search. Well, I don't know if this is doing anything. So, I'm going to call this a fail. I failed to install Prime OS on VirtualBox. Now, should you download this and try it yourself? I don't know. I can't get it to work. But maybe I'm not that bright. If you guys have got it working, you can say in the comments what you did. I'm sorry for making you watch a video where nothing happened. But I spent the time recording it, so I'll just upload it, and you can watch it and laugh at me if you want. I call this an epic fail. Maybe it's user error. I will say their installer is not very friendly. Their website's nothing but ads. But this might be good for some people. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Maybe I'll go back to Chrome OS. Bye now.